You will love eating fried rice with vegetables and smoked fish and crayfish after watching this video. I will be presenting how I prepare this delicious fried rice. So I started with my vegetables. These are my vegetables. I'm boiling it now. But before I warm water and pour it, before I put in some fat, you can use butter, and then I will just boil it for like 3 minutes, not so long. The next, this is my pan with oil. I just added some salt in it. It's just a little salt, and then now I'm adding my chopped onion. You have to be generous with the onion in order for your fried rice to have good flavor. So this is me stirring my onion. I have to fry it to dampen the flavor on the olive oil since I'm using olive oil. So it will not also fry for long. And now I'm adding some crayfish. Powdered crayfish. You can use the crayfish like seasoning cube crayfish. If you don't have powdered crayfish, it's good to go. And now I'm adding some sliced tomatoes. The tomatoes will make the crayfish not to burn since tomatoes are having water. And now I just added some sliced beef. You can use any beef of your choice at this level. It's good to go, and it's optional. If you don't like beef in your fried rice, you can just leave this part. So now I covered it, and I'll allow the tomatoes to cook with the rest of the items for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you see how it has cooked. The tomatoes, they are a little bit cooked or almost cooked. So for now, I'll be adding some seasoning cubes, some pepper. At this moment, add any pepper of your choice. Add the amount of seasoning cubes that you wish, and then stir it and wait for the next process. You see, I just dropped a little bit of water because I don't need much water. I have to fry the rice, and at this moment I am parboiling my rice. Remember to always wash your rice, parboil it, and take out the starchy water before you add it in your sauce to fry it so that the rice will come out very well. Check my vegetables. They are ready. I don't need to cook them for long. So I'm just going to take them out from the water and use in my fried rice. So you see my tomato sauce is boiling with my beef. I just opened it now. It's like 10 minutes after I covered it. Everything, the sauce is ready. And then now I'm adding my half-boiled rice or parboiled rice. And I'm going to fry everything together. Remember, don't add a lot of water, and the rice must be half cooked. So this is me stirring it and mixing everything, tasting the seasoning cube, and it was ready. And it's time for my vegetables. You check the color of those vegetables, see how they are nice looking. They are really presentable, and it will give the fried rice a nice color. So this is me mixing everything, my rice and my vegetable. At this moment, if you don't want a lot of rice, add the amount of rice that will match with your vegetables. I cover it to steam so that the rice will completely get ready. So after 5 minutes, this is my rice well prepared, and I'm stirring it, and it is serving time. This is how I just serve it in a plate. Everything is complete. You can still roast some chicken by the side if you don't like beef. It is good to go. Guys, try this delicious fried rice at home with your vegetables and your beef with the crayfish in it, and you will really enjoy it. It is yummy, yummy. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.